So guys, we playing the One Plus keyboard. Oops, I can stuck. The stuck part. Oh, the stuck. Let's see. Bro, I'm have only 10. Look at that. I'm have only 10. And I'm here. Later, I'm playing with my sister because my dog just bite me and I need no injection. With you guys bite a dog, go injection too because my dog just bite me. Pants too. Oh, oops. Go ako wet. Go. Ay, nakapitsina. And I'm not facing my Roblox. And when I'm get the diamond play button, I'm gonna give away every day some Robux. Some Robux to you guys. All of you, whether you're in the Philippines or you in the US, I don't know, if you're in Japan, I'm give you guys. I'm give away some real Robux. It's not fake, okay? Not like everyone only give away only one Robux to one subscriber. Only 100,000 in one subscriber. I'm not gonna be like that, guys. This is true, not true. And I need to vaccine later. And I'm gonna upload this now. Right now. Oh, tomorrow I'm go vaccine. And bye guys. So let's go. What's this? I'll give you Robux to your FKA. AFK. Let's go treadmill. Let's go AFK. That's a wait now. Wait. Let's see how much. Yeah. Let's wait. Let's wait. And let's stage 1 for baby. Stage 2 for adult. Stage 3 for grandma and grandpa. Up.
Ito sa taas.
Ha?
Sam, binubuksan mo yun, umiihi sa kama yun, tumatay sa kama yun. Kaya lagi nakasarado yun eh. Ano? Kumae? Baka meron tayo doon, di mo tinignan ha.
Ulit siya. Oh, yes. Bye-bye, guys.